The cat command is one of the most frequently used commands in Linux and Unix systems. It derives its name from concatenate and is primarily used to display file contents, combine multiple files, and create new files. We will see how it can be done. Let us understand the basic syntax of the cat command. The simplest form of the cat command is used to display the contents of a single file. No special options are needed for this. The output goes to standard output, that is, the terminal. It is useful for quickly viewing small text files. Here is an example. The cat command followed by the file name hello.txt. The output is hello world. This is a sample text file. The cat command displays all contents. The cat command can display contents of multiple files in sequence. This is where the name concatenate comes from. It joins the contents of multiple files together in the output. Files are displayed in the order specified in the command. This is useful for combining related text files or viewing multiple configuration files at once. For example, the command cat file1.txt, file2.txt, file3.txt will display all of the files in the terminal. Another example is cat header.txt, content.txt, footer.txt. The output will be something like this: header, website title, content, main page content goes here, footer, copyright 2023. The cat command can be used to create new files by redirecting input. Use the greater than operator to create a new file or overwrite an existing one. Use the double greater than operator to append to an existing file. Remember to press Ctrl+D when finished typing to save and exit the input mode. For example, to create a new file, type the command cat, then the greater than operator, and then the file name newfile.txt. Enter the contents. This is line 1. This is line 2. This is line 3. Then press Ctrl+D to save. To append to an existing file, use the command cat, double greater than operator, existing.txt. Then enter the content. Adding more content to the existing file. Then press Ctrl+D to save. Here are some useful options for the cat command. The option -n is used to number all output lines. The option -b is used to number non-empty output lines. The option -s is used to suppress repeated empty lines. The option -E is used to display $sign at the end of each line. The option -T is used to display tab characters as $I. The option -A is used to show all non-printing characters. For example, to display line numbers, the command is cat-n file.txt. The output will be 1 first line, 2 second line, 3 blank for fourth line. To number non-empty lines, the command is cat-b file.txt. The output will be 1 first line, 2 second line, blank 3 fourth line. The cat command becomes more powerful when combined with redirection operators. The single greater than operator redirects output to a file and overwrites any previous content. The double greater than operator appends output to a file. The pipe operator pipes output to another command. These combinations allow for efficient file manipulation and text processing workflows. For example, to combine multiple files into one, use the command cat file1.txt, file2.txt, single greater than combine.txt. To append a file to another, use the command cat appendix.txt, double greater than document.txt. To pipe to grep for filtering, use the command cat logfile.txt, pipe grep error. Let us see some practical examples of using the cat command. First, to quickly inspect system configuration files without opening an editor, use the command. Second, to create simple text files directly from the terminal, use the command cat. Third, to merge multiple log files for analysis or archiving, use the cat command. For example, to view the system configuration, use the command cat /etc/host name. The output will be server-01. To create a quick note, use the command cat double greater than to-do.txt, EOF complete project report schedule team meeting update documentation EOF. To combine log files with timestamps, use the command cat application -star.log greater than combinedlogs.txt. Here are the key takeaways from this lesson. Cat command can display contents of text files quickly. It can concatenate multiple files into one. It can create new files with redirection. It can view files with line numbers and special characters. It can combine with pipes for powerful text processing. It is a simple but versatile command for daily use. Some alternative commands are less, which is used to view files with pagination and search. More, which is a simple pager for viewing files. Head, which is used to display the first lines of a file. Tail, which is used to display the last lines of a file, and Nano or Vim, which are text editors for viewing and editing. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.